How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys a 3-minute ab workout that you can do at home with no equipment at all. So before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, send me an email. My email is in the description box and we can talk more details. So the exercises that we will be doing today, the first exercise is just basically going to be a scissor crossover. It's very easy to perform. I can show you guys how to do it. We'll be doing that for 1 minute. We will then be doing the basic ab crunch for 1 minute, and then we'll be doing the leg raise. I guess you could call them flutter kicks. Actually, they're not really leg raises. We'll call it the flutter kick. Again, those are very easy to perform. I'll show you guys, and it will help you guys get six-packed abs like this, you guys. So trust me, it will work. We'll be doing 1 minute for each exercise, but we will be doing them constantly in a row, so there'll be no stopping. So I'll show you guys how to do the exercises really quickly, and then we'll do the quick workout. And hopefully you guys can hear me good. I got my new microphone and I think it sounds pretty damn good. Okay, so the first exercise is gonna be the scissor crossover. Very easy to perform. You're just gonna lay on your back. And then what you wanna do now is you just wanna cross over your legs like this. It's very easy to perform, but you feel it in your lower abs like no frickin' tomorrow. I will say that right now. You feel it in your lower abs, and that is why I love this exercise. So again, I'll just show you a quick demonstration. This is all you do. So that's the scissors crossover. We will be performing that exercise first. I will show you guys the second exercise. It's just a basic ab crunch. So I'll show you real quick. All you want to do is get your head, contract your abs. As simple as that. Again, just grab your head, crunch, feel it in your abs. You should feel it right here, you guys. Feel it right in your abs. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The most important thing when you're performing the ab crunch is to make sure that you focus on the contraction at the very top. That's what's key. It has nothing to do with how much weight you're using. Weight can be important in some scenarios, but the biggest tip is to make sure you feel the contraction at the top. And your abs should be burning a little bit. You guys can already see mine, they're starting to burn. Okay, that's the second exercise. The third exercise I'm gonna show you is gonna be the flutter kick. Very easy to perform. Get your hands, kind of put them under your butt a little bit, and then all you're going to do is go one, then the other. One, then the other. So if you guys want, you guys can pause the video if you want to and try these exercises out for yourself. But we're going to be doing the workout right now. So it's 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the video. So we're going to be doing these for 1 minute. Make sure you guys follow along at home. Whew. And again, all you're doing is crossing over. It's very easy to do. We'll be doing it for 1 minute. I picked this exercise first because in my opinion, it's one of the hardest to perform. We're almost done, 20 seconds to go. If you guys are doing this at home, I really have a lot of respect for you guys because this is a tough exercise to do, but you will feel it in your abs like no tomorrow. Okay, done. Now let's go to the crunch. 1 minute of performing the crunch. Don't mind me looking over here, I'm just watching the clock. So really feel that crunch right here. That's what you guys want to do, is feel the contraction. Another 15 seconds to go. Okay, that's time. We'll now be doing the flutter kicks. And again, these are the workouts I do for my abs, and you guys can see my abs. They look pretty diced. Just keep doing that, you guys. We're almost done. And again, this is really tough because it's circuit training, but 3 minutes of this is all you need. You don't need 20 minutes of abs. Done. You guys are done. Woo! End of video, you guys. I mean, end of workout. I'll talk for a little bit. You guys can see my abs. They're pretty hard right now. Holy crap. That's a very tough workout. If you guys think it's easy, try it at home for yourself. I guarantee you, you guys will be sweating a little bit. You might be out of breath like me a little bit, but it is a very good exercise. Those 3 exercises are staples in my ab workout, and by doing it a circuit base, it's very good to perform, you guys. So end the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like my video and share it. Thanks for watching.